Here's a quick update on our garlic that we planted. We planted this in zone 6A. We're in Northwest Ohio. Planted about 60 cloves of garlic in this bed, and it is now November 3rd, so it's about a month after we planted it, September 30th, and it is just now popping up. And you do want your garlic to pop up just a little bit, develop a root system before the ground freezes. So I do have this fully mulched, and you want to mulch your garlic pretty heavily, 3 to 4 inches of mulch, and I might even add some more leaves on top of this. But this garlic will be perfectly fine this winter. It'll snow on it, even though it's popping through. It'll be perfectly fine and come up in the spring. Let me know if you have any more questions. Post a comment, like this video, and check us out at DoNotDisturbGardening.com.